In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge reconciled bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to bring two duplicate or outdated bank accounts together so your records stay clean and your reconciliations remain intact. A quick heads up before we start. Merging can't be undone, so consider noting your current balances or exporting key reports for peace of mind. Let's begin inside QuickBooks Online. Look to the upper right corner and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens a menu where you manage your company setup and lists. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account in your books: assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and, of course, your bank accounts. Find the bank account you want to merge into another. Think of this as the account you're retiring. In the action column for that account, click the small drop-down arrow. This reveals options specific to that account. Select Edit to open the account's details. You're now in the edit window where the merge actually happens. Change the account name so it exactly matches the name of the account you want to keep. Exact really matters here. Same spelling, spacing, punctuation, and capitalization. If you're unsure, compare the name of the account you're keeping and mirror it precisely here. While you're in the edit window, also make sure the account type matches the account you're keeping. For bank accounts, that's typically bank. If the types don't match, QuickBooks won't merge them. It's also a good practice to confirm the detail type and currency align with the account you're keeping, as mismatches can prevent the merge. When the name and type are aligned with the destination account, click Save. QuickBooks will recognize that there's already an account with the same name and type and will prompt you to confirm the merge. Read the message carefully, then confirm to proceed. Once confirmed, QuickBooks combines the accounts into the one you kept, moving all transactions, including reconciled ones, under that surviving account. Your historical data remains, but now it's consolidated. After saving, take a quick look at your chart of accounts and the register of the account you kept. Verify that the balance and transactions look right, and spot check recent reconciled periods to make sure everything carried over as expected. That's it. You've successfully merged reconciled bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your chart tidy makes reporting clearer and month-end reconciliations smoother. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.